class, so today we are going to continue talking about our lesson on prime and composite numbers, and actually taking a number and considering if it's prime or composite. Now before we start, we're going to think about what the definitions of a prime and composite number are. A prime number is any counting number that is divisible by 1 and itself. On the other hand, a composite number is a number that is divisible by any other counting number along with 1 and itself. Today we're going to look at the number 601. And we're going to see if this number is divisible, is going to be a prime or a composite number. Now first we're going to start with the number 2. We're not going to start with 1 because we know that 1 is either prime or composite. So we take 601 divided by 2, and we get this decimal, which means that 601 divided by 2 gives us a remainder, so it means that it's not going to go even. So we're going to move on to our next prime number, is 3. And this gives us a repeating decimal. So this means that 601 is not evenly going to go divided by 3 because it gives us a repeating decimal. Now we could move on to 4, but we're going to actually move on to 5 because 4 is divisible by 2. And so that means that whatever you do to 2 is going to happen to 4, since 4 is a composite number. So we divide 601 divided by 5, we get another decimal. So that means that this number is not divisible by 5. So we can actually move on to our next number, which is 7. We get another decimal. We're going to move on, we're going to skip 8, 9, and 10 because they're all composite numbers. We're going to move on to 11. And we get another decimal. We're going to skip 12, and we're going to go on to another prime number, 13. We get another decimal. We're going to skip 14 and 15, 16, and we're going to move on to 17. And we get this decimal. So we're going to move on to our next prime number. So we're going to skip 18, and we're going to move on to 19. And we get another decimal. So we know that one doesn't work. We're going to go to 20, 21, 22. We're going to go to 23. Now, one thing that happens here that doesn't happen anywhere else is that our answer number is larger than what our prime number is, our composite number. So since we see this, we know that we can stop because this number is larger than what we started with. So because of this, we know that 601 is a prime number.